Hi there, I'm Tommy Baggins, and welcome to my base on Constantiam. I moved here recently from, a week or two ago from 4v4T, because the place is dead, and the handful of people who are still there are basically all griefers, and I'm just out of the hassle. So anyway, I'm not complaining. I don't complain, I just move on. So, got my base, got my monolith, anyway. Base, monolith, got my garden. Anyway, I did a video saying I was going to build a really long railroad. I said that I would give you an update at some point. Well, here's the update. This is my railroad. Guys, I know how much you guys on YouTube love watching me ride on railroads through Minecraft. Oh, talk about anxiety, jeez. I just wanted to record this before it gets blown up, because this is an anarchy server and it will get blown up at some point. On anarchy servers, that is the way. I'll admit I'm kind of proud of this. This is the longest railroad I've ever built in survival Minecraft. Certainly the longest I've built on an anarchy server. And you'd be surprised what a pain in the rear it is. Another creeper! More anxiety! Oh, that creeper didn't bother. Jeez. You know, I was saying, total hassle building this. First, collecting the raw materials for it. You know, building it, planning out the route. Haven't had any problems with griefers yet, which is one blessing. But I have had, there were times where it felt like every zombie, jeez, zombie in leather armor, okay. Anyway, there were times when it felt like every freaking griefer in this whole godforsaken game was on my case. I guess everyone experiences that at some point or another. Creeps are a pain in the rear. They're supposed to be a pain in the rear, and you know, they do a good job of that. And a couple of random jack-o'-lanterns for no darn good reason at all, except that I love Halloween. My favorite holiday. Here we are, middle of summer, I'm doing this, and still doing Halloween. Oh, zombie. Oh, just swipe at me, jeez. How rude. I guess that's zombies, they have no manners. There's a spot where that got blown up by a creeper. One of my nieces actually helped build this. She put that little descent there. She definitely has her own building style, distinct from mine, which is great. I wonder how many of you are still watching this video. I know I spent a while doing a series building a long railroad track across my own little Minecraft world, and nobody watched it. Nobody cared. Doubt anybody will bother with this either, but I'm doing this for my own satisfaction, I guess. That was one of my own old bases while I was building. Yeah, I guess I'm just recording this, so there'll be something left when it inevitably gets destroyed. Because of anarchy, baby. Speaking of griefing, yeah, somebody else's base that I come across. Don't know if anybody's still here or not. Haven't seen anyone. My apologies to whoever built that. No, wait. This is an anarchy server. Do as you please. No apologies. Apologize for nothing out here. Besides that, I haven't told you where it is. Look. It's a kelpie. Critter from mythology. I expect very few people get that joke. I don't care. Because I'm a nerd. Anyway. This is as far as I've gotten. And sadly, I think this is just a little bit better than halfway to where I wanted to get to. But you know what? I'm taking a break. Building a railroad across an anarchy server in survival mode is just tedious. Of course, if anybody wants to help, let me know. You know, if anybody wants in on this little project, how about it? A couple of free hours, free bones, and spiders. Now this is a neat little spot right here. You got your snowy biome. We got snow, we got plains, we got swamp, we got ocean, we got everything. This right here. Yeah. This isn't a base, this is just a camp. That's what I call this, like a mini base, little shelter. Alright, anyway, sun's going down, and I've yammered on for long enough. So, that's all. Toodles.